So you'll notice there, Randy went back to
Getting pretty for the puppy festival today. Oh my god, we're going to the puppy fair.
oh, big yawn.
Oh gosh, she's so tired. Say cheese. No, Autumn, you ready for your breakfast? You want your nannies? Good crunching, girls. So now we have to get dressed. Okay, for the puppy party. For the puppy festival! You wearing your rainbow bright tutu? And up. Alright, now we gotta pick a jacket. Do you want your rain jacket or do you want your jean jacket? Which one do you want to pick? Alright, hold on. What's the matter? Can't see? What is in your way? Oh, your ear. What happened to your ear? Let's see what Autumn's picks. Autumn's? Which coat do you want? I guess we're going with jean jacket. Good girls.
Once you cross this world and into that unconscious state, you will vividly be present in everything you see. Closer and closer.
Ladies ready? Roofaroo!
Nope. Alright. So now I know you're excited because you got all these friends here at the Woofaroo.
Yeah, so it's just 100% walleye, single ingredient product, naturally sourced out of Lake Erie. It's a byproduct of our commercial fishery. It was just an upcycle initiative to take all of our fish waste and repurpose it back in for the dogs. So we have 3 products. This is just a smelt. So this is a single ingredient dehydrated smelt. This here is a bark, so this is your belly meat. Any of your higher fat omega-3s trimmings are put through a jerky machine. And then this same thing, it's just our skins twisted and dehydrated. No additives, no preservatives, no flavoring.
Here goes Chanelli.
You can cry on my shoulder. I know
Chanel, go see Mom. Autumn.
I know you.
Table 2. Oh, and done.
I love you the best I
Want to get into that? Tickets are $5 for vertical.
Oh.
Here, take the first bite. Opinion?
That's good.
Yeah, what happens when it's windy outside? Look at her hair.
It's full of chocolate syrup.
She just loved it so much. Oh yeah, play away.
Have you guys checked out inside?
Yep. Yeah.
the pressure start to push up underneath my skin. Haters gonna hate, but this is just the way I am. Try to come against me, all you gotta say is win. Better not forget you're standing in the lion's den. Better not forget you're standing in the lion's den. I can't be stopped. I can't be stopped. I can't be stopped. I wrote that walk, I talk that talk. I can't be stopped. Straight to the top, straight to the top. I can't be stopped. Ain't no better time than the present. Better get ready. I'ma make your head blow up like confetti. Knocking down resistance. You don't wanna miss this.
A micro shit.
To the centers out there.
Look at the puppy.
Don't need directions to get where I'm going. Say goodbye to my father.
Hopefully everyone enjoyed the puppy show.
Of course they did.
See you next time.
No money, no fame. Do it all for the escapade. No money, no money, no shame. Do it all for the escapade. Do it all for the escapade. Do it all for the escapade. You strip off my clothes and we jump in the water. We light it up 'cause there's nobody here.